Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've protected this 2018 XF with a ghost system. So where it works, if someone hopped in and tried to steal it, as soon as they select a gear, whether it's remote started, they've stolen the key and tried to drive away, as soon as they select drive, neutral, reverse, the vehicle will switch off. As you can see, it's died. When the customer's in the vehicle, all they have to do, start it up, or in this case we'll just do ignition on, pop their disarm code in, which we've left simple at 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a double flash from the indicators. Now we can start the vehicle and select our gear. There you go. To put this in service mode, so when it goes back to Jaguar, you obviously don't want to give them the code. The way you do that is ignition on without starting the vehicle, disarm it to prove that it's you, get your double flash. There we go. Now on this vehicle we'll press the cancel button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes to confirm. And now it's in service mode. So now there's no need for a code. When it goes back to Jaguar, it'll just be a standard vehicle. No need to do anything else. It'll just start and drive as if there's no ghost. When you get it back, all you got to do, ignition on without starting, pop your code in and get your usual double flash. That turns it back on. There we go, and now it's protected again. If the customer wants to change the code on this vehicle, how they do that is ignition on without starting, put your code in to prove that it's you, get our double flash. Now we'll hold the full beam forward, repeat our code, and keep the full beam held until the indicators start to flash. When they do, we can let go, and now it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a triple flash. And then repeat that code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should get a double flash to confirm that. That's the new code learned. So now when the customer gets in the vehicle, they'll obviously have to use the new code. So start it up. New code. Double flash. Now we select our gear and drive away. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, this is a Ghost 2 system on a Jaguar 2018 XF. We're Immobiliser Fit, and our number is 0208 212 7393. Give us a call and we'll fit it to your vehicle.